Welcome guys. Let's do ICP technical analysis and price prediction of this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please join me on Twitter. This is my Twitter account. Please join me on Twitter. Let's dive into the content. Current rank of ICP is 22 and price of the ICP is $50.22 right now. Market cap of ICP is $8.34 billion. That is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of ICP is 266 millions and circulating supply of ICP is just 166 million. That is very low. Total supply of ICP is just 469 million, which is also very low. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you the website. Here you can see on Sunday 9 May 2021 price of the ICP was $461 and after that price is now at $50 right now, and all-time low of the ICP was on July 20, 2021 about 3 months ago and the price was $27.44, and all-time high of the ICP was on May 10, 2021 about 5 months ago and the price was $700, and it is available on Binance, Digifinix, Gate.io and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus, and you can also get 20% special trading fees bonus on every trade you take if you register with my affiliate link. And these are Fimex, Bybit, KuCoin and Horbit exchange links, and you can collect these bonuses too. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you the website. This is the website. Please visit this website. This is very important token and having very huge potential and very bright future, and it is the very bright future token, and it is very important to me. Please visit this website. These are the partners and these are some technical information. You can get these information by visiting this website, and please do your own research before buying this token. And let me please show you, these are the members and founders of this, you can say team members, 200 plus team members, and that is why this project is very transparent. Please search this token and please do your own research about this token. Here you can see these are some important figures, and you have to visit this website because this website is very important and having all important information you have to know about. These are the informations, and you can visit this website and you can get these informations by visiting this website. Here you can see this is also a technical information. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you my first chart. This is ICP USDT pair 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, and here you can see it is in this ascending broadening wedge. This is downtrend line, this is upper trend line, and now it is touching this downtrend line. After that I think this kind of action we may see. It can hit this zone $52, and after that once it broke this, in that case this will be the next zone, $56 price area, and once it broke this area, in that case $58 is our first target, in that case $62 is our second target, and so on. Let me please show you some support and resistance levels. There is a major support for ICP in 4 hour chart is this area. Let me please mark label on it, $48 price area, and these are some resistance levels, you can say the targets, $58, $62 and $81 price area, $87 price area, and once it break $87 price area, next big rally of this token will start immediately, and I think this token will hit my targets that I am going to show you in this video later. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, CPR. This is the main indicator, and I am very satisfied this indicator. The main CPR levels are these levels, 51, 57 and $63 price area. It is about to hit first CPR level. Once it break this, it can hit second CPR, third CPR, and after that these are the bullish targets, bullish CPR targets. Let me please show you. These are monthly CPR targets, and first CPR monthly target is this area, second is this area, and third CPR target is this area. Please note down these targets. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Let me please show you. It break this EMA ribbon here, you can see easily. Here you can see it break this EMA ribbon, and now it is in this ascending mode, and I think price will go up here, you can see. And next target is this area, $52 price area. Once it broke second target 56, 58, 62. These all are immediate short-term targets. It can hit by the ICP within some days, maybe 2 days, 3 days, maybe within 1 week. These are all very short-term time frame target. And let me please show you my next chart. This is daily chart of ICP. It is in this ascending wedge, and once it broke this upper trend line, in that case next target is over $61 price area, and second target will be $87 price area. But now this area is very important. It have to break this area, $53 price area, and close daily candle above this. Once it break this area, in that case 61 will be our first target, and $87 will be our second target, because the technical target according to this pattern, according to the technicality, is this target, the starting point of this descending wedge, and it is at $87 price area. Once it broke these areas, in that case it can go up to $117. After that $155. These are the levels you have to note down. And after that this area is very important, $188. And after that this area $345 and $411. These are the areas, and these are the targets in daily time frame. You have to note down these targets. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. ICP is about to break this EMA ribbon, and it is at currently $50 price area. Once a daily candle closing above $57 price area, in that case it will broke this EMA ribbon. In that case new upside rally will definitely start. And here you can see once it broke this, in that case it was the move of 42 to 43%. And once it break this, in that case in this bull run, I think it will be massive, I think so. Let me please remove this, and let me please show you some other levels to trade. Let me please zoom this. Let me please show you the fib retracement levels to trade. These are fib levels to trade, and once it broke this area 0.23, it is at $116. Next area is 0.38, and it is at $173. After that this area 0.5, and it is at $219 price area. And after that 0.61, the golden pocket, and it is at $262 price area. And after that these are the targets. Note down these targets. First target is $160, $16. Second target $173, third target $219, fourth target $264, and after that $330, $368. These are the targets, and so on. And let me please show you my next chart. This is weekly chart of ICP, and it is at $50 right now. This is main support zone, $37 price area. This is major resistance is at $60 price area. You can say our first target is $60 price area in weekly chart. Once it broke this area, in that case the next target will be this area. Let me please mark this area. The next target will be this area, $83 price area. After that, $86 price area. And if it, unfortunately it rejected from this zone, in that case 37 will be our major support for the ICP. And let me please show you some other levels and resistance and support areas. In weekly, this is major resistance, and this is also a resistance area. And after that, this area. And let me please show you the target of 2021 bull run target. Let me please arrange this chart, please. It is currently at the bottom and in between 0 to 0.23 Fibonacci level. Once it broke this 150 0.38 Fibonacci level, second target is $188 and it is 0.5 Fibonacci level. Third target is this area, 0.61, and it is golden pocket, and so on. Let me please mark this, and let me please show you the targets. My target for this bull run for ICP is this area. This area is very important. 1.33 to 1.61 price area, Fibonacci level, sorry. It can hit this level. $550 is my target for this bull run. ICP can hit $550 in this bull run, and this is my final target for ICP in this bull run. I hope so it can hit my target and it will achieve my target. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. And if you want to join me on Binance on Twitter, this is the link. And if you want to join, if you want to get Binance, Fimex, and KuCoin, and Bybit, and Hotbit exchange bonuses, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus of Binance, $1,200 bonus of Fimex, $1,600 bonus of Bybit, and KuCoin $100 bonus. And you can register with my link, and you can also get 20% special trading fees discount. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.